A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to your offline class. Today I am going to discuss a new topic. Before starting the topic, I want to say one thing. Have you heard about invisible gaseous state that is surrounding us? That invisible gaseous state, that is a mixture around us, that is known as air. Okay, now I am going to discuss the chapter of air around us. Okay, air around us. Now, is air is a substance? No, air is not a substance. Air is a mixture of different types of gases, including carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, smoke, these all. Okay, so we can say that air is a mixture. Air is a mixture, it is not a substance. So the first point you have to remember this, that air is a mixture, not a substance, not a substance. Okay, air is a mixture but not a substance. Now, what is the color of air? Can you see the color of air? Air is always colorless. We can see through it. So, we can say air is transparent. So, the next picture is colorless and it is transparent, so that we able to see everything through the air. Okay, understood these 2 points? Air is a mixture, not a substance, and air is colorless or this is transparent in nature. Now, another thing also, that air is tasteless also. Now, it is transparent, so that we can see through it. And another thing I want to say, that air occupies space. So that inside a balloon there is presence of air, you can see, and when balloon is just blown up, then air inside the balloon occupy the space inside the balloon, so that the balloon swells up. Okay, next picture is, it exerts pressure. It exerts pressure. Whenever you try to cut a balloon, a swollen balloon, then the air just blown away from that point through a pressure, so that we can say air exert pressure. By this example we can say, so till now we have 4 characteristics of air. Air is a mixture, not a substance. Air is colorless, it is transparent, so that we can see through it. Next, air occupies space, it fills all the space in a container which is otherwise empty and seems to be empty. Okay, then air exerts pressure in all direction. Okay, understood this point, students? So, air present all around us and we can feel the presence of air, but we cannot see the air around us. And air is mixture of different gases that I have told. Now, air plays a very important role in breathing and burning also. Without air, breathing process cannot be takes place, and also the burning also need, or combustion needs oxygen. And the existence of life on the planet Earth is mainly because of presence of air. So we can say air is very essential for our survival. Understood everyone up to this? Now, all living organisms require air. How these all living organisms require air? As we know, in air there is mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and many other gases. Argon, helium, okay, these all are other gases, comes under all other gases. So, among these we inhale oxygen. You know, for our respiration oxygen is very necessary. So, we inhale oxygen. So, that oxygen is coming from the atmosphere. That oxygen is coming from atmosphere. In case of plants, they utilize CO2 from the atmosphere for making their food by the process of photosynthesis. So that we can say there are so many contribution of air in the planet Earth or the survival of life, including all living organisms. Understood this point everyone? I hope you understood. Today up to this portion, next day I will discuss in more detailed form. I hope you understood, and if you have any problem you can ask me in the e-portal. Okay students, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.